Well, I mean, one exciting thing is that I'm starting to get more and more reached out because I'm posting on Amazon, right? I'm getting reached out by more companies who want me to make reviews for their products on Amazon. So a lot of the Chinese suppliers, a lot of Chinese sellers, right, are offering me to send free clothes and and all this
Leave a
stuff.
review, yeah.
It's so crazy. Like, oh my God, this internet thing, God bless the internet. Not only are you making money, you're also like getting free stuff. You're getting free access. You can reach out to communities. You can it's just, if you're creating stuff on the internet, right, and you're getting a little bit of momentum going, so many doors open up. It's just incredible. It's this switch between being a consumer and being a producer. If you just start going, it's kind of like
Pendulum.
like a pendulum, exactly. If you're fully consumer, and then it's not like you can just switch and go fully in. No, it takes a lot of time, to move in that direction. But once you do, it's just, I don't know, it's just everything starts to kind of click a little bit more. And no, I really like it. I'm so happy with where I am with like the whole content creation, and that I started YouTube. And yeah, it was not easy getting here, but now it's getting better. I'm really feeling a lot more happy with the place I am at right now in life right now.
It's important. But you have like choice now, you have your bills covered. Everything is online. You can outsource stuff if you want. You can make videos yourself if you want. So you have like opportunities basically and choice. Instead of like
the best thing. The best thing, I don't have to wake up in the morning to an alarm. I get to decide what time I wake up in the morning.
And then you probably still wake up early and jump in a fucking cold lake.
Well, I actually, because this winter, okay, we were waking up at like 6:30 for no reason, just for the reason that I was like, oh, get up early, do work, da, da, da. And today I wake up and I'm so relaxed, and I'm like, you know what? I am not waking up at 6:30 in the winter. I'm going to be waking up without an alarm, be it 8, be it 9. I don't care, Just, that's the best, You don't have to report to anyone. You're your own boss. That's such a good feeling.
100%. I agree.
Yeah.
But you also get used to it sometimes. That's what I have, at least.
Oh, really?
And if you don't set an alarm, I often wake up even earlier than the alarm. I don't know what it is.
Dude, I have a lot of guilt with that. I have a lot of guilt with waking up, and when I wake up without an alarm, I feel my initial like instinct is like, oh my God, I've slept so long, I'm a piece of poop, and then and I'm like, and I start feeling bad right away because I'm kind of conditioned to, why are you sleeping so long? Like, my dad would tell me that, oh, come on, get up. You're sleeping
hours.
I don't know. Like, I wake up at like 7, bro, like 7:30.
And you sleep at?
I don't know. I started reading at like 10, maybe 11.
Yeah, but that's like 8 hours. That's like normal.
Yeah, it's normal, exactly. So, but I just have the guilt, Like I wake up and I feel that it's already like 10 o'clock because it's super bright here as well in Finland right now. But yeah,
as long as you hit the 7-8 hours, like don't feel guilty.
No, that's fine. My sleep is perfect. It's just before I even check the time, I'm already feeling guilty because I think that I've slept way too long.